In this video, I will show you how to make a survey in Google Docs. So if you have Google Docs open, you can go to File, and then you click New and Form. This will open a new form document, and here you can start making the title of your form. For example, web design questions, new customers. This will give me information about the new web design project. So any descriptions you can add there. And once you're done with creating the title and the description, you can add your questions. So for example, what is the company name? And it will automatically go to short answer because it recognizes what you're saying. But if you don't like it, you can change it too. And you can add more questions if you like. So for example here, you can ask what CMS system do you want? And you give some options maybe, for example WordPress, any other options like Shopify, Magento and other. You can say if the question is required or not, and if you want to duplicate the questions, you can do that too, or if you did it on not on purpose, you can delete it. And you can import questions, add titles and description, images, videos, etc. And once you're finished, you can simply click send and send it to an email, or you can grab the link and send this to somebody, maybe through WhatsApp or on social media, on your website, wherever you like. Or you can even embed it, the form, on your website. Okay, so this is how you create a survey or a questionary from Google Docs. It actually creates a new document in your drive. So if I go to YouTube, I'm not sure where it was saved, so I will move it to my YouTube folder. There you go. And if I refresh the page, there you see the form. Also from Google Drive, you can add new Google Forms if you like. But you can also do it from File and then New and then go to Form. It does the same thing. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. If you like it, give me a like. If you don't like it, leave me a comment why you don't like it so I can learn. If you want me to make any instruction videos, I would love to hear about that in the comments too. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.